Okay, a quick tutorial on how to remove broke off bolt from aluminum. You have a iron bolt or steel bolt broken off into aluminum. I've got two of them here. I tried to record with one hand, that didn't go so well, so we're just gonna pause and show you after I'm done each time. Get a washer or something to weld down first, get it kind of started, and then I've got a scrap bolt that I'm going to place on top and then fill that in. The heat welding those two together should cause it to separate, and I'll show you that in a minute. Okay, so once you get a little bit started there, then you can put the bolt on top and then weld that in. That easy, guys. Okay, so too hot to touch, but I can take that out all the way. You'll see that heat did the trick. There it is. And save the threads. That's the whole goal. And save the surface around the sealing surface around the bolt for the carburetor. There goes the second one. You see how hot that is? So easy now. Comes right out. There it is. Then just hit it a little like that. Threads are saved, no damage, good to go. Hope that helps you guys. God bless.